Films all sign collective. So what you guys could expect for the next 48 hours. So what's really happening in your connection? Soulmate Twin Flames Collective, all signs included. So yes, let's start. What's happening in your connection now? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my channel for all those who are returning. Okay, right now many of you guys could be going through a breakup, or you are walking away from someone you dearly loved, or you're trying to walk away from someone who you still have feelings for. Okay, with Ace of Wands and King of Cups, yes, you dearly love this person, you have lots of passion for this person, lots of feelings for this person, but you feel it's better to walk away now. You do not see anything going on or happening in this connection anymore. So I feel many of you guys are walking away. Okay, if it's not you, it's your partner. They have indirectly walked away, or they are trying to stay away from this connection with Eight of Cups. Okay, that's the card we have here. What else do we see happening? Soulmate Twin Flame. What else do we see happening? One card for that, please. What else do we see happening? Okay, with Nine of Swords in the reverse, many of you guys are restless, exhausted, tired, and you feel like you cannot be a part of this anymore. You know, like you have lost the strength to be a part of this connection. Many of you guys are going through sleepless nights. Many of you guys are basically going through some, you know, like stressful times. Okay, anxiety, you know, dreaming about something and not getting proper sleep. Like, even if you get proper sleep, getting bad dreams, things that you're not supposed to see. With the Tower card, things have fallen apart. You guys are not on the same page. Okay, for many of you there is no communication, nothing at all. Okay, and that's the reason why many of you guys might decide to walk away. Okay, so this is the overall situation I see. Give me one more card as to how your soulmate twin flame is coming towards you. How is your soulmate twin flame possibly coming forward towards you? One card for how is your soulmate twin flame possibly coming forward towards you. The Strength card, Moon, and King of Swords. This person in the past could have cut you out, or they just stopped communicating. Okay, right now I see them holding back, just like the old times. With King of Swords, this person is completely detached. In the past, I see this person possibly keeping a distance from you, or not really telling you what's happening in their life. You do not trust this person. Okay, with Seven of Cups, there's basically a lot of confusion going on regarding this whole situation. Give me one more card as to how they're coming forward towards you. How is the soulmate from coming forward towards you? One card for how is the soulmate from possibly coming forward towards you. With Two of Swords, this person is confused. Okay, they are holding back, they are at crossroads. Okay, a top card we have is Three of Cups. So this person right now might want to think of coming forward, but as of now they are still holding back. They might want to come forward in the future, like in the next few days, but as of now I see this person majorly holding back, not knowing what to do about the whole connection. Okay, so this is the collective energies. Now let's start the tarot. I don't think things are going good in your connection. Okay, if this resonates with you, continue watching the video. If it doesn't, this is not your reading. Okay, so yeah, so let's start. Give me a reading for soulmate twin flames and what they can possibly expect for the next 48 hours, all that they need to know about their person, and what all could happen in their connection moving forward. Okay, so one card for what's the collective energy like between the two of you. One card for what's the collective energy like between the two of you. What's the collective energy like between the two of you. Right now with the Hanged Man, you both are kind of holding back, watching each other, could be even stalking each other, but not taking action. Okay, the Hanged Man is a card where you guys basically want to know more about the whole situation. You guys are trying to get a basic idea as to what to expect and what's going on. You are trying to see it from an angle. Okay, with Ace of Cups, the love is still there, man. The love is still there. The problem is you guys are exhausted and tired of being a part of something that is not being reciprocated, or you do not feel equal and balanced being a part of this relationship. Okay, so one card for the energy towards you, one card for your soulmate twin flames energy towards you, card for your soulmate twin flames energy towards you. With the magician, I still feel, okay, that this person might still be defensive but has not given up on you. Okay, they are still up for this, but at the current moment I see them in page of swords energy. That's them stalking you, being defensive, but basically watching you from a distance, okay, from a safe distance, not making any moves towards you, but they are still being interested, they're still wanting to stay interested. So I feel it's you who is basically walking away or staying away. Okay, so yes, one card for how they're thinking of you now. How is your soulmate twin flame possibly thinking about you now? How is your soulmate twin flame possibly thinking about you now? Okay, the two of wands, just like I told you, they are at crossroads. Okay, so got the same card again. In the past, this person was basically trying to reject you, or not trying to take you seriously, or not trying to take your offer seriously. With two of wands right now, they are thinking of you, but are still at crossroads. Okay, they do have other options. Okay, I'll be honest with you here. But with the lovers card, that clarifies that. I feel your person has options, but your person is still wanting to keep this connection going, but that does not mean they do not have options. Okay, I still feel your person has options, and the options are the main reason as to why things are not moving forward. I believe for some of you, your person has one or more than one option. Okay, so that's that. One card for how sorry, like one card for their current feelings towards you. How do they possibly feel about you now? How does your soulmate twin flame possibly feel about you now? All signs collective. How does your soulmate twin flame possibly feel about you now? Feelings. How do they truly feel about you now? With the moon card, this person is keeping secrets. They are fearful of their own feelings. Some of them have never ever shared their feelings or never really expressed their feelings. I still see them being in the same energy. With temperance card, this person will take their own sweet time before coming back. Okay, so for many of you, your person does feel a mutual connection with you, but it's just that I still feel that your person is not in a position to express their feelings, or not really comfortable expressing their feelings at the very current moment. Okay, in the past, with the star card, for some of you, your partner was trying to balance two relationships at one time. If it's not that they were too focused on healing themselves, fixing themselves, for building up themselves, and not you. Okay, so give me one more card as to how do they feel about you when they miss you or think of you. How do they truly feel about you when they think of you or they miss you? One card for that. All signs collective. With Nine of Pentacles, I still feel that your partner is trying to stay emotionally independent from you. Okay, my readings are very straightforward, and I would like to keep it that way. With Nine of Pentacles, for many of you, your partner likes you, wants you, but is still not wanting to commit to you. That's the big problem that's been going on. Okay, in the past, they were trying to involve a third party, but right now I see your person being single, not really having a relationship with someone else. But it's just that they are not wanting to commit as of now. That does not mean they do not love you. It's just problems with commitments. Okay, not wanting to commit, or not wanting to have a stable or one-sided connection, like one lane connection. Okay, with Chariot card, I still see them being interested though. Okay, so what are they wanting from you at the current moment? What are they possibly wanting from you? One card for what's your person possibly wanting from you. With King of Wands, many of them are still wanting a physical connection with you, a passionate connection with you. They're wanting to make a move towards you. Okay. Top card is Five of Swords. They are upset that you are not making a move towards them. You could have gone completely silent towards them, and they are not liking that. Okay. So one card for what action they want to take towards you now. What action they possibly want to take towards you now. One card for what action they possibly want to take towards you. The Nine of Swords in the reverse, I see them finally trying to come out of their shell. Okay, so for many of you, you guys could expect communication, but it will take time. They're basically going through the dark night of the soul, and your person is going through a lot of transformation with the Death card. Okay, so give me one more card as to what you could expect within the next 48 hours. What could you possibly expect from your soulmate twin flame for the next 48 hours? Excuse the background music, that's my dog. Okay, so yeah, so what you can possibly expect for the next 48 hours in terms of action. This person is still making you feel unworthy. They are not making you feel loved, nothing at all. You rather feel rejected. You feel like they have dropped you or they have let you down. Okay, I still see it going the same way. Okay, so do not expect much, but like many of you could expect communication by 48 hours, but I cannot guarantee you. Okay, like since we have Four of Cups as to what you could expect, so that at the next 48 hours could still be very boring and depressing, but overall I still feel some of you by the end of 48 hours or by the end of the day, you could still expect some communication. Okay, so where this connection is going for the next 48 hours, where is this connection possibly going forward? Where is this connection possibly going forward? They have to make their mind, darling. You know, this person is very confused. They are at crossroads. They have other options as well. They do love you, but not willing to commit. That's the problem. And I believe you do not want anything besides commitment. If they are not willing to commit, you are not going to entertain them. That's the energy I'm getting so far. One card where this is possibly going forward. With Star card, I still see you guys coming together with time. Okay, not so soon, but with time. Okay, with Ten of Pentacles, many of you guys are actually destined to be together, but it will take time. You know how the soulmate twin flame connections go. You know, fuck the label, but you know sometimes connections are difficult. You know, and it's going to take the due time. One card of advice for you people. What do you need to do? What do you need to do with your connection? One card of advice for you people. With Wheel of Fortune, let the divine timing, make things happen for you. As of now, just focus on yourself. Okay. With Two of Cups, whoever is meant to be in your life will come and find you. Okay. So what's meant to happen will happen, and let trust the universe and surrender. Okay, if you keep forcing things, or you keep expecting things, it's going to bring up tower moments back and again. Okay, so right now just surrender and just focus on yourself. Just focus on looking good, eating good, healthy diet, healthy body, so that. Okay, with Ace of Pentacles, many of you guys could actually meet a new person very very soon, so that's even a possibility. Okay, so let's see your love messages from your person now. Love messages from your person, what your person wants to say to you, all that your person needs to say to you or wants to say to you. Okay, one card we have here. Okay, I fear rejection once you see the real me. I do not know why I'm getting this. Your person fears rejection once you see the real them. Second message we have here is, will you accept my past? So this person hasn't told you all about their past or all about their life, and they are very fearful that you might not really accept them for who they are, or accept their past. Okay, so they fear rejection overall. Okay, like, give me one more card that they would want to say to their soulmate twin flame. Messages from your person. Messages from your person. Okay. Can we get back in the future? Okay. Your intensity is hard to handle. Facing my fears. Okay, so your person is wanting some more time with you. They are not wanting to get back as soon as possible. They want some time. Okay, and this connection will take some time to basically get back together. So right now they fear the intensity. They fear opening up too much, so they would want some time. They are not very ready to open up at the current moment. Okay, and that's your reading for soulmate twin flames. I hope if it resonates, you would be kind enough to hit the like button, because that greatly helps my channel to grow. If you are on Instagram, come follow me on Divine Soul Guidance. We post a lot of good stuff there. Okay, and thank you so much for coming in. Your every like, every comment means a lot to me. Thank you for being part of my channel, and hope to see you soon. Cheers.